Hello everyone. So I'm doing another unboxing because I won 2 giveaways last week and it's been a while since I had one giveaway, so it was kind of nice. And this one is from T.C.Blades, and I will link his channel in the comments. So let me open this up without showing anything. Just a second. All right, I got it open. Looks like we have piece of candy, Rosecraft, some more goodies, more candy, a sticker. Let's see what else we got in here. More stickers. Oh, he's got some nice stickers. I gotta get stickers done. There we go. Nice stickers. All right, let's take a look at this. Let's see, what did I win? There we go. Ah, nice. Let's zoom in on that. Nice micarta handles. Again, black marker. Got a flipper and thumb studs. Let's look at the blade. There we go. Ooh, nice. Tonto. I don't have an overabundance of Tontos, so very nice. I like that. Thank you, T.C.Blades, for the chance to win and winning a giveaway. Very nice. Thank you. Again, I will put his channel in the comments, so go check him out. And thank you for the win, the giveaway win. I appreciate it. Bye, everyone.